What's going on, YouTube? Back here inside the indoor grow room, looking at what's growing on again. Another update. Like I said yesterday, if you caught that video, I'll be back again checking these guys out, and as you can see, a lot of these guys are touching the lights. And I just raised the lights last night, too. Pretty much maxed out on, not this side over here, but the other side, I'm pretty much maxed out on those lights, so not exactly sure how much further I'm going to go up. And before you jump into the comments and ask me, can't you take them outside? Yes, I can. Why aren't they outside? Well, there are many reasons behind that. But we'll get into that at a later date. There's a series of steps that I have to accomplish before they can go outside. I have not accomplished step 1 even. So therefore, they're still inside. One awesome little thing, I have no clue who the heck it is. If you look at that pod, or that, well, it is a pod. If you look at this pepper right here, you can see that little line off of there. I've got another indoor pod. So that's awesome. And there's another one. Oh, that was a pod. It's not a pod anymore. But who knows? Oh, there's another one right down there. I don't know. Is someone going to fall off too? No. Got another one right down here. Look at that. All right, cool. But just giving a general overview here. The Sugar Rush is just loaded up with pods here. They are all over the place. Looking awesome. A couple of them are starting to look almost done. They are Sugar Rush Peach, and they have to become peach colored before they're ready. That one in the background back there, that one, that should be the oldest one on the entire plant, but that doesn't mean anything. Oh, by the way, also joined here by the Pepper Dog. Puppy. He does not like to be on camera, just like everybody else. Anyway, I'm gonna... Why the heck am I... It sounds like I've got labored breathing. But anyway, I'm gonna, apparently cough or something. I don't know, get rid of this goofy sound in my lungs, pop you up on the tripod. Let's check out some of these guys. Before I do that, Ghost Pepper looking pretty nice, looking big. Heck, why don't we look? I haven't even looked to see if I have any plants here. Oh, that's gonna fall off, right? Yep. Haha. That's not a pod. Is that even... Yeah, here's another one. Ooh, look how pretty that flower is. That's cool. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Oh, no, that's Pink Tiger, or the Sugar Rush. Dang it. I was hoping that was going to be a Ghost Pepper that's actually popping off some pods. I don't see any, but that doesn't mean there isn't any. Pink Tiger up here, as you can see, got some buds popping off on there. Who knows, maybe we'll get some buds or pods, or maybe both, off of that guy. I don't know. Anyway, head over to the tripod, shall we? Alright, you all set up? Can you see from over there? I think you can. Anyway, let's hop into there. Oh, I should have showed this off well. I had the camera all close. This little guy, I don't know if that's showing up, but you can see it's all laying down and everything. It appears we've got a little bit of stem rot right there at the soil line. So that guy is not going to make it. I believe that's one of the last ones. No, it's not. Oh, yeah, it is. Kangstar White Tie. But we still have plenty more. Got this little guy. This little guy getting bigger. All looking nice. Got, one of these is not a Kangstar, right? No, Kangstar White Tie. And I don't know, I think I had a 100% success rate on the Kangstar White Tie. Another one. And who's this other little guy? This is another Kangstar. It was 100%. It is. And another one. So looking half decent. We'll put them right on back where they were. Well, it'll be less work later, right? You don't care. You're not going to have to be here for that work anyway, right? Ahi Pineapple. Looking good. A little scraggly. Hanging off the side. Whatever. Once they get their stems starting to grow up nice and tall, they start pointing straight up, kind of like this guy. I mean, if I flop it over, it's going to flop over, but where it normally is, it's just hanging out pretty good. And, yeah, again, no fans in here. Here's another one. It was looking good till I smacked it with the other leaves. But, yeah, another Ahi Pineapple. Let's get into some of these bigger guys here. Just watered everybody yesterday, so we should be A-okay. Ahi Jabito. Looking dang nice, right? I took a pile of leaves off of a lot of these guys yesterday, so you'll notice there's a lot of leaves missing. Missed that. I was on yesterday's video. Another Ahi Jabito. Getting very, very nice. Getting close to forking. Not forking yet. Now this little guy right here. Looking nice. Another Ahi Jabito. Like I say, I am Ahi rich this year. This guy, I already know who this guy is right here. That's a Sugar Rush for sure. Sugar Rush for sure. It is. It's being a little floppy in the cup. But should be a-okay. It will be eventually anyway. But look at all that growth on there. I already have a pod right over here. Yeah, this is the one I was talking about earlier. Pod right up here. They're just starting to form. Got a nice flower right over here. Is that going to stay? Looks like it. Cool. Who else do we have here? Ugh. Wait for tally? No, Naga Brain. Kind of spindly looking. Big old leaves on it and everything, but looking half decent. Just about to fork right there. Let's see, who else do we have here? Pepper Dog chasing down bugs. This guy is just about to fork. This is my Boot Orange Copenhagen crossed with pineapple, BOCXPIN. Looking very nice. Got two of those in here somewhere. Look at this guy. Look at that, man. Forked right down here, looking beautiful. I don't really see any... Well, there's buds forming on there, but no flowers or anything. Another Ahi Jabito. Looking very nice. Very sturdy-like. Let's see, who else do we have here? This guy took off a bunch of the leaves on the lower part. You can see we have new growth popping off all over the place on this guy. And that's an Ahi Lemon Drop. Looking good. I don't know why it's kind of droopy up here. Just watered it yesterday. But sometimes that's what they do. How about this little guy? Kyoto Cream. Don't even have to look. So it's got this whole new plant popping off here on the bottom. Looking nice. And it forked again up top. Let's see. Who else do we have here? Another Ahi Jabito. Looking great. Forking. Just starting to fork. How about this little guy? Wide fork right here. Big old fork. Another Kyoto Cream. And again, pop some leaves off the bottom. So that guy should start popping off new leaves there. Or new growth on the bottom part, that is. Another Boot Orange Copenhagen crossed with pineapple. What, you want to smell? Good. Yeah. Just barely lick. Don't bite. And that is just now starting to fork. So that's good news. How about this guy? It's looking pretty weird. Little stretchy there. Trying to grab some light. Being overshadowed by its buddies there. Another Ahi Jabito. Yeah. Stay right over there. Don't knock over the cup. And this guy, I'm guessing Ahi Lemon. No, Ahi Mango. Look at that. Nice tall. Cleared off a bunch of these leaves on the bottom. You can see new growth starting to pop right off, right where I took leaves off. Let's see. Who else do we have here? Another Ahi Jabito. Like I said, I'm Ahi rich. Not really forking yet. This other guy. Look at that. Nice and tall. I'm going with lemon on this one. No. Ahi Mango. I should just start guessing Ahi Mango every time. What's up with that? But nice Ahi Mango forked right up here. Just forked. So it should start popping off some new growth forming. How about this guy? Look at the size of this guy. And pretty rigid there too. I don't know if you can see all of that. But yeah, got some funky looking leaf right up here. I don't know if I burned it or what, but another Ahi Mango. Oops, you're touching the light. Right now it is. Wasn't before. How about this guy? Look at that, man. All these leaves completely gone. New growth starting to pop off. Looking great. Another Ahi Mango. Let's leave this one out here so it's not touching the light. The joys of keeping them so close together. The tons of leaves missing. Got a whole new plant popping off here on the very bottom. That's another ahi mango. Man, I'm mango rich this year. Oh, let's move into someone else. Tons of new growth popping off all down here, looking great. Tons of growth all the way up. Forked right over here, looking great. And that is a white Fatale. Sweet. Another, probably about the hottest of the super hots that I'll be getting into this year. That, I'm going to have to go ahead and guess, is a Sugar Rush. Because forked way down here, forked again, forked again. Not a King Naga. Sugar Rush Peach. Bang. Now we got some buds popping off here, 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 and here. So hopefully we'll start getting some pods off of that guy. Here's another little guy. Beautiful little growth popping off over here. Kind of wiggly here, forked way up top. That's an ahi lemon drop. That would be Rob's favorite. How about this guy right over here? All wedged in with everybody else. Looking pretty nice. New growth. Leaves are all pulled down below. Another ahi lemon. Looking good. Pop this guy way in the back there. Alright, fine. You're leaning over. I'll take you out first. I'll take you out. How about that? Not very rigid, but lots of leaves taking off. New growth popping off here on the very bottom. Who is this guy? It's buddies. Help him stand straight up. Another ahi lemon drop right here. Let's hop into this guy. Look at this guy though. Tons of leaves taking off. New growth. A whole new plant starting right down here. More growth popping off right over here. That'd be my ahi lemon drop. Yet another one. Set that right next to the dog so she can sniff it. How about... Funny, when they're not dried out, they still stick to each other. How about this guy? Look how tall it is. Leaves all taking off down here. New growth popping off. I feel like I'm saying the same thing over and over again. Ahi mango. Looking great. Oh, who else do we have? Sugar Rush. How can you tell? Because it forked way down here. That's how you can tell, actually. This leaf was not needed. It was a quitter. But tons of new growth popping off all over this thing. Looking great. Double check myself. Sugar Rush Peach. Absolutely. I know my peppers. Oh, who else do we got? Only a few more left, people. Just a few more left. Just a few more leaves left. Look at that. Knocked a whole leaf off over there. This guy. Rigid? Yeah. New growth popping off down here. New growth popping off all over the place. My mystery pepper. Must be an ahi. Look how tall that guy is. But I didn't really pay attention to where I got it from. But I put a question mark, so at least I know that. Here is the one that I just popped a leaf off of. Ugh. Too bad. Forked up there. Ahi mango. Great. And we got here 6 more to go. So we'll pause right now. I'll put all these guys right back in. We'll come back for the last 6. Alright, only a couple more left to go here. Oh, this big old monster right here, forked way up here after all this growth. And that has got to be an ahi mango, because that's the way they roll. Look at that, nice and tall, yet rigid. That's the way we like them, right? Alright, another guy. Look at that. Another one. Gigantic, actually. I lose this leaf right here. Why? Because I said so. That's why. Looking beautiful. Another ahi mango. That's how it's going to close out every time, isn't it? Look at this guy. Didn't seat all the way into its cup, but I removed a whole pile of leaves. Got new growth popping off on here. Forked way up here. And forked again. This is an ahi mango. Like I said, that's how we're going to have to close out, right? How about this little guy? That's a Sugar Rush right there, if I've ever seen one. Look at that. A whole new branch over here on the side. Hang on. No, that flower's not holding on. This one looks like it might actually be a pod. Double check. Sugar Rush Peach. they get really bushy. And look, all this new growth. Look, a whole new plant growing up over here and a whole new one right over here. Sugar Rush. They know what's up. Yeah, I got 2 more. Someone's outside playing music. Big old tall guy. No leaves down low. That's what I do. Another ahi mango. Someone on a motorcycleta. Motocicleta. And last but not least, oh, we know who that is, don't we? This guy with all the foliage everywhere, buds popping off everywhere. Of course, it's gotta be a Sugar Rush peach. Bang. Forked down here, forked again here. Oh no, it didn't fork again. You can imagine what it'd be like if it did. But anyway, that's enough of the peppers right here. Now, let me put these right back. Don't bark at everybody taking that garbage can out. Hey! Stop! Hey! 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 I hear them. Hey! Davey! Hey! Lay down like a good dog. You're a good dog. Chill the hell out. Chill. Chill. I can hear them. I hear them. They're taking the garbage out. Don't yell at them. Would you want to be yelled at for taking your garbage out? Oh, right. You don't do that. Slacker. What do you mean go take my garbage out. Go do it. Oh, now you're going to shut up and pretend like you're sleeping. Okay. Alrighty, we're back over here, and now we got them all tucked in, all close together and everything, and now they're back to doing their growing thing, so thanks for hanging out with me. If you're new, as always, hit that subscribe button, and let me know, who the heck is this? Another Sugar Rush pod right there. Dang, I get so excited thinking it's a ghost. But thanks for hanging out with me. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up down below. That always lets me know that you like the video. If you don't like the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs down. But if you do that, why don't you leave a nasty comment telling me why you want to give me a thumbs down? That way I can actually improve instead of just thinking, that guy's a jerk and I don't care what he thinks. So if you actually want me to think, hey, the thumbs down means something, that's your way to do that. Don't forget to check out the Mystery Amazon link as always. That'll be down below in the description. What the heck is this? Extra leaf over there. We don't need that. As always, in the comments section down below, leave a comment, not just for me, but for everybody else watching. I encourage everybody to hop into the comments section, find someone new, check out all their videos, and give them tons of thumbs up and comments and all that fun, happy social media stuff. Live streams are when they are, so yeah, it's going to be fluctuating now, so who knows when it's going to happen, so make sure you hit that bell for notifications. That way you can find out whenever we go live, if YouTube will allow it, because they are very finicky, not only with their notifications, but sometimes they don't feel like you should be subscribed to people, and they unsubscribe you from people. I've noticed this myself, so I'm sure that's happening with myself as well. But yeah, do all that fun, happy social media stuff down below. If there's any way to improve this channel or these videos, make sure you leave that in the comment section down below. And I will catch y'all in the next video, or the live stream. So, till then, later.